Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to another unboxing or opening at 164 scale racing. Picked up this little 5-pack HW Drift. Picked it up from the Walmart. Figured I want to show it to you. Thought it was pretty neat. Let's open her up. First up, we got a Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. Then we got a Toyota AE 86 Corolla. And we got a drift rod. Drift rod. Looks kind of like the Count Musculus a little bit, the way it's shaped. Anyway, that's the drift rod. Then we got a Dodge Charger Drift. Dodge Charger Drift. Then last we got a custom 12 Ford Mustang. I think the Mustang is my favorite. Yeah, I believe I like the Mustang the best. Then maybe the Viper. Then the Charger. But anyway, that's my little unboxing of the HW Drift. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. Check out my other videos at 164 scale racing, please. And we'll be back with more. Thank you.